Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to look at something that I thought it was neat late at night on Amazon, and I had to take a look at it. And what this is this is the OHTO, O-H-T-O, OHTO, hopefully I pronounced that right, mechanical pencil. And the thing I thought was kind of cool is it's a mechanical pencil made to look like a normal pencil, like a plain wooden pencil. So let's take a look at it. One thing I should point out is it looks, I'm guessing from the tag on it, it's probably like $2 or 250 yen retail. It runs like $5 or $6 on Amazon, so you might be able to find them cheaper. I'll include a link in the description for the Amazon page for it, but you might be able to hunt them up. If you like the idea of it, you might be able to hunt them up a bit cheaper. You know, save a few bucks if you're getting other things. Well, first of all, it feels like a pencil, which is kind of cool. And according to the post, according to the post, the Amazon page is supposed to be real wood. So, no eraser, I don't think. Yeah, no eraser, which doesn't hurt my feelings too much. It's 0.5 millimeter, if I remember correctly. Yeah, 0.5 millimeter. Alright, this is the, let's try this thing out. This is the OHTO Natural Wood Mechanical. Alright, I kind of like it. I mean, it's sort of a weird little novelty oddity thing, but it's kind of cool looking. And I guess it provides a solution for somebody who wants a mechanical pencil but likes the feel of, you know, the old school wooden pencils that you sharpen. It's kind of cool. It's not really super complicated, I guess. Just sort of a nifty little oddity. Anyway, let me know what you think. Is it weird and dumb, or weird and neat? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there are any cool pencils or pens or whatever I should check out, you can also let me know down there. And if you've enjoyed this super short video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.